Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, where we help you create the most beautiful and functional spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked, but can dramatically transform the look and feel of your entire home: driveway garden bed designs. So what exactly is a driveway garden bed design? Simply put, it's a strategically planned and planted area of greenery and flowers that runs alongside or encompasses your driveway. Think of it as a living border or a welcoming embrace for your driveway, turning a functional paved surface into a beautiful integrated part of your landscape. It's more than just a strip of grass. It's an opportunity to soften hard lines, introduce color and texture, and create a captivating visual pathway to your home. Now, why should you consider adding a garden bed to your driveway? The benefits are truly abundant. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, it significantly boosts your home's curb appeal. A well-designed driveway garden bed instantly elevates the aesthetic of your entire property, making it more inviting and visually appealing. This can even increase your property value. Secondly, it helps to soften the often harsh and rigid lines of a concrete or asphalt driveway. Plants introduce organic shapes and textures, creating a more harmonious transition between the hardscape and your home. Thirdly, these garden beds can act as natural visual guides, subtly directing visitors towards your front entrance. They can define pathways and create a sense of structure in your yard. Moreover, a thoughtfully designed garden bed can provide year-round interest. With a mix of evergreen shrubs, seasonal flowers, and perhaps some decorative elements, your driveway will look vibrant in every season. Lastly, and often overlooked, is the environmental benefit. Adding more plants to your property contributes to local biodiversity, provides habitat for pollinators, and can even help with stormwater management by absorbing runoff from your driveway. It's a win-win for both beauty and sustainability. Decorating your driveway garden bed to look truly beautiful involves a blend of design principles and personal touches. Start by considering the scale and shape of your driveway. Curving beds often add more visual interest than straight ones, softening the edges of the pavement. Think about the overall style of your home. Do you want a formal, symmetrical look, or something more natural and free-flowing? Next, layer your plants. Begin with taller plants or shrubs at the back, closest to your house or fence, then transition to medium-sized perennials, and finally to low-growing ground covers or annuals along the edge of the driveway. This layering creates depth and prevents the bed from looking flat. Incorporate a variety of textures and colors in your plant choices. Don't just stick to one type of green. Mix in plants with different leaf shapes, flower colors, and even interesting bark. Consider seasonal interest. Include plants that bloom at different times of the year so your garden bed always has something going on. Don't forget hardscaping elements. Edging materials like stone, brick, or metal can create a crisp, clean line between the garden bed and your driveway, preventing soil erosion and giving a polished look. Rocks, decorative pebbles, or even small garden ornaments can add visual interest and personality. Finally, think about lighting. Solar-powered path lights or strategically placed uplights can highlight your beautiful plants and enhance safety along your driveway at night, creating a magical ambience. When choosing plants for your driveway garden bed, consider their mature size, light requirements, and tolerance to roadside conditions like heat reflection from pavement or occasional salt spray in colder climates. Here are some excellent choices. First, low-maintenance shrubs. Boxwood, dwarf spirea, juniper, hydrangea, rhododendron, azalea. These provide structure and evergreen interest. Second, flowering perennials. Daylilies, hostas, salvia, coneflower, lavender, catmint, sedum. These offer reliable color year after year. Third, ground covers. Creeping thyme, sedum dragon's blood, vinca minor, liriope. Great for filling in spaces and suppressing weeds. Fourth, ornamental grasses. Little bluestem fountain grass, mondo grass, Karl Forster reed grass. Add texture and movement. Fifth, annuals for seasonal color. Impatiens, petunias, marigolds, begonias, geraniums. Perfect for vibrant, continuous blooms throughout the growing season. 6. Drought-tolerant options. Succulents, lavender, Russian sage. Ideal if you're looking for less watering. 7th. Plants with interesting foliage. Heuchera, Coleus, Japanese forest grass. Add visual interest even without flowers. Remember to group plants with similar water and light needs together for easier maintenance. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best driveway garden bed design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Grandeur and privacy. The enchanting gated entrance. This image captures a magnificent and inviting entrance, where a substantial stone wall and classic white wooden gates frame the beginning of a long, elegant driveway. The driveway itself features a cobblestone border, adding a touch of traditional charm. Lush, low-growing white flowers create a soft, continuous border along the driveway's edge, contrasting beautifully with the rich green of the surrounding hedges and trees. Large, decorative urns atop the stone pillars add a sophisticated focal point, completing a look that is both private and grand. This design masterfully blends hardscaping with abundant greenery to create a truly memorable approach. 2. The elegant estate entrance. A symphony of color and form. This expansive driveway garden bed exemplifies grandeur and meticulous planning. The gently curving asphalt driveway is flanked by lush, well-manicured lawns and an impressively layered garden bed. Bursting with vibrant red and orange flowers in the foreground, transitioning to deep greens and purples, the bed creates a stunning visual leading up to the charming home. Mature trees provide a natural evergreen backdrop, offering shade and a sense of established beauty. The overall impression is one of harmonious integration between nature and architecture, with the garden bed acting as the heart of the welcoming approach. 3. Modern chic. Structured sophistication with mixed textures. Showcasing a contemporary aesthetic, this driveway and garden bed design features a captivating interplay of modern materials. The dark gray interlocking pavers of the driveway are complemented by light-colored, large-format patio stones that lead to the front door, creating a distinct and clean pathway. The garden bed itself is thoughtfully designed with defined edges, incorporating a variety of plants with different textures and shades of green. Strategic placement of a single reddish-leafed plant adds a pop of contrasting color, enhancing the sleek, architectural lines of the house. This design demonstrates how even smaller spaces can be maximized for striking visual impact. 4. European charm. Cobblestone elegance and classic lines. Evoking a sense of timeless European charm, this driveway is a beautiful example of sophisticated hardscaping. The driveway itself features gray interlocking pavers laid in a subtle pattern, with a contrasting lighter stone border that accentuates its graceful curve. A lush, well-manicured lawn occupies the central island, surrounded by meticulously trimmed hedges that add a formal touch. The walkway leading to the house is paved with large, light-colored square stones, creating a seamless transition. Brick walls and established trees in the background contribute to the classic and refined atmosphere, making this a truly elegant entry. 5. The majestic circular drive. Symmetrical grandeur. This stunning property features a grand, sweeping circular driveway that immediately conveys a sense of elegance and luxury. Paved with light-colored interlocking pavers and bordered by dark cobblestones, the driveway gracefully encircles a beautifully manicured central island. This island is meticulously landscaped with layered plantings of vibrant green shrubs, low-growing white flowers, and carefully placed trees, creating a captivating focal point. The stately white colonial-style home with its dark shutters is perfectly framed by mature trees, highlighting the harmonious balance between the expansive landscape and the impressive architecture. This design is a masterclass in symmetrical, high-impact landscaping. 6. Rustic warmth. The charming brick paver driveway. This inviting entrance features a warm, rustic brick paver driveway laid in a herringbone pattern, immediately conveying a sense of classic charm. The driveway gently curves, guiding visitors towards the welcoming arched entry of the house, which features traditional terracotta roof tiles. A crisp, light-colored concrete border neatly separates the brick driveway from the lush, well-maintained lawn. The garden bed alongside the driveway is vibrant with a mix of colorful flowering plants and tropical-looking foliage, adding a burst of life and softness to the hardscaping. This design beautifully marries traditional materials with vibrant planting for a truly welcoming feel. 7. Stamped concrete artistry. A bold and structured welcome. This impressive home boasts a striking dark stamped concrete driveway, featuring a geometric pattern that adds a unique modern flair. The driveway is bordered by a classic red brick edge, providing a traditional contrast to the contemporary concrete. The house, constructed from warm brick, is elegantly framed by twin garage doors and large windows. The garden beds flanking the driveway and leading to the entrance are filled with a variety of carefully selected plants, including tall ornamental grasses and lush green shrubs, providing a natural softening to the structured hardscape. The overall effect is one of refined elegance and strong curb appeal. 8. Welcoming curves. Lush greenery and crisp white blooms. This charming garden bed design embraces soft curves and abundant greenery to create a welcoming front yard. A light-colored concrete pathway, edged with a subtle brown border, winds its way to the front door. The surrounding garden beds are generously filled with plump, round boxwood shrubs and masses of delicate white annuals, creating a fresh and inviting aesthetic. A low stone wall in the foreground adds a touch of natural texture, defining the edge of the planting area. The overall effect is one of neatness, tranquility, and understated beauty, showcasing how simple plant choices can have a profound impact. 9. Winding pathways and terraced beauty. A journey of discovery. This elaborate landscape design features a captivating winding pathway crafted from multi-toned pavers, leading the eye through a series of beautifully terraced garden beds. The pathway is edged with a smooth, light-colored stone border that defines its graceful curves. The garden beds themselves are rich with dark mulch, showcasing a variety of vibrant green shrubs, red flowering plants, and evergreen conifers, creating year-round interest. A grand white fountain serves as a distant focal point, drawing attention further into the property. This design demonstrates how varying heights and thoughtful plant selection can create an engaging and dynamic entrance experience. 10. Vibrant roadside retreat. A burst of color and texture. This delightful driveway garden bed bursts with an explosion of color, demonstrating how a mixed planting scheme can create a lively and inviting approach. A dark asphalt driveway is bordered by a generous strip of white decorative stones, providing a crisp, clean edge. Beyond the stones, a rich bed of dark mulch is home to an array of flowering plants in vibrant pinks and purples, punctuated by smaller shrubs and ornamental grasses. A classic black lamppost and a large natural rock add structural elements, while the well-maintained lawn slopes gently upwards, creating depth. This design is a testament to the power of color in garden landscaping. And there you have it, 10 incredible driveway garden bed designs that prove your entrance can be so much more than just a place to park your car. Whether you prefer a grand, sprawling design or a more compact, modern approach, the possibilities are endless. Remember, even small changes can make a huge difference in enhancing your home's curb appeal and creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone who visits. We hope this video has sparked your imagination and given you plenty of ideas for your own driveway garden project. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring landscaping ideas and practical gardening tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!